Okay, so we reached which dam?
Mattupetty Dam.
Mattupetty Dam. This is Mattupetty. This is what? Mattupetty Dam. So basically, there's nothing that we can do here except for boating and stuff. So if you want, you can go do that. But today we are not in the mood to do that. So we are going to the eco point and the other stuff. So we are moving there. But if you want, then this is the place. This is how it looks like. A lot of water, but not many people. So let's go to the next one. Echo point should be interesting. Okay, so we are at Echo Point now. So basically the echo is not as loud as you would expect it to be. So I mean, I thought like you will say something and it will repeat twice or thrice, but it hardly even comes back once. Kitty! But you have boating and stuff going on over here. So in the background you will see boating going on. You have this other kind of what is it called? Vattavada. You have that there, so they don't allow you to use that, but that's there for sure. The only thing you can do is you can rent the pedal boats for 300, and the entry fees is 10 rupees. So that's basically it. Now you've already seen how it looks like. Now let's go to our next destination. Okay, so we reached Kundala Dam. We didn't stop at the dam itself. So normally what happens is people stop where the dam starts. You park the vehicle there and then you walk down and then there's boating and stuff. So we went ahead, we crossed the dam and then kept going till the end of the road. And there was a small road going like this. So we went through that and we reached this spot. So there's a hut, a small hut here, and electric fence so that people don't cross it. If they cross it, then you know what will happen. So that over here, and it's a very nice peaceful spot, so you can come and sit here. I don't know whether this is allowed or not, but there's no one stopping us. There's no guard or anyone here, so we don't know, but very nice spot. You can see the entire lake from here, the entire lake, and you can see the boating going on over there. So very nice place, peaceful. So basically all that I've seen in Munnar are the eco spot was the same lake, I guess, on a different spot. Now the dam is here on a different spot, and before that there was another dam in a different spot, but I think it's all the same lake, but I'll find out. But I think that's what we saw. Then you have the tea plantation and stuff, a lot of those kind of things. There's a photo point, so we'll be stopping there and then taking some pictures if it's needed, but it's just a tea plantation and stuff at the in the background, and then you can stand there and take pictures. There are people with cameras and they charge you something for the pictures. We didn't stop, so we don't know the price. On the way back we might stop.